60 days to collapse. 60 days. That's roughly how long it took American Apparel to go from filing for bankruptcy a second time to shutting every single factory and store for good. Let's back up though, because this one's got a wild ride before the ending. American Apparel wasn't just another clothing brand. In the 2000s, it was the brand. Made in USA, sweatshop free, with ads so raunchy and controversial, they basically ran on outrage for marketing. Founder Dov Charney built a company that, for a while, actually worked. Vertically integrated, meaning they designed, made, and sold everything themselves, instead of outsourcing to overseas factories. That was the whole pitch. Ethical manufacturing, cool branding, huge margins. But behind the scenes, things were shakier than the ad campaign suggested. The company was carrying serious debt, basically money borrowed to keep growing fast, and it was burning cash faster than it made it. Then in 2014, the board fired Charney as CEO following an internal investigation into misconduct allegations. To be clear, no criminal charges, no conviction, just a board deciding the company couldn't keep going with him at the wheel. Cool, calm, no scandal at all. Definitely not messy. With the founder gone and the brand identity kind of gone with him, American Apparel filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in 2015. That's the kind of bankruptcy where a company restructures debt but keeps operating, not the kind where it just disappears. They cut debt, brought in new leadership, tried to relaunch, genuinely tried, didn't work. Sales kept sliding. Competitors like Forever 21 and Zara were moving faster and cheaper. In November 2016, American Apparel filed for Chapter 11 again, the corporate version of failing the same class twice. And this time, there was no third chance. Within about 2 months, the company announced it was closing its remaining stores and shutting down its Los Angeles manufacturing operations, laying off thousands of workers. The brand name itself didn't vanish. It was later bought by Gildan Activewear, a Canadian clothing manufacturer who kept the logo alive on t-shirts made overseas. Which is almost poetic, considering the whole original selling point was not made overseas. So here's the lesson. A strong brand and a good story can carry a company for a while, but they can't outrun debt, internal chaos, and a market that's moving faster than you are. Reputation gets you customers. Financial discipline is what keeps the lights on. What do you think? Was American Apparel doomed by its debt, its leadership drama, or just bad timing in a brutal industry? Drop your take in the comments. Subscribe. We post a new bankruptcy story every day. Which company's collapse do you want to see next? Write it in the comments.